Hello YouTube. This is a short video on how to replace the Suzuki Samurai steering column bushing. This little bushing goes bad after 20 plus years. You're overdue to replace this one. Thank you. In order to remove the steering column as a unit, ensure you remove the shaft first at this stage. Ensure you unplug every electrical connection before you're ready to pull everything out. It will pull off once you unplug everything. As you can see, there is no need to remove the steering wheel or the column assembly. Just pull it all out as one unit. So much easier that way. In order to get the U-joint off, I had to tap it with the hammer and the screwdriver, and she slid right out after that. In this section, I used a screwdriver and a rubber mallet and tapped the old bushing all the way around till I got it off, completely off. You can see that it was time to replace this steering column bushing after 29 years. In my case, that hole is completely wallowed out. This rubber bushing was not doing its job at all. It was perfect time to replace, and you can do this in your own driveway. I took the opportunity and cleaned the end of the steering column shaft before I put the new bushing in its place. You will see that I cleaned the steering column shaft before I put everything back together in its place. It's better to work with clean materials. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.